lovely.
My name is Millet. We're able to be your MC for today's cooking demonstration. Before we begin, I would like to just acknowledge the country that we're meeting on today. We acknowledge and pay respects to the Ghana people, the traditional custodians whose ancestral land we gather on today. We acknowledge the deep feelings of attachment and relationship of the Ghana people to country, and we respect and value their past, present, and ongoing beliefs, and their connection to the land and their cultural heritage. If you've just joined us, folks, welcome to the Rotaract cooking class Chettinadu with the South Indian Tamil community. Here, we're not just making one dishes, not two, not three, not four, but 5 dishes. Yes, you heard it right, folks. We're making Rasam, Millet Idli, Chettinadu fish curry, Panchamritham, and what was the other? Kadambha Sambhar. Kadambha Sambhar. That's right, folks. What? Okay. Wow, very versatile. So Kadambha Sambhar. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah, sure. Hello everyone. Good evening. Vanakkam. So I'm Andrea and we are from Rasam community. So here we are going to make some of our traditional dishes I will show you. And the main thing was here, the masala that we are going to use is that we are going to make it. You can see here how the fresh ones will be dried out and we will be grinding in a mixer, and we are using the fresh masala. And fish curry, and that is for Sambhar.
And so what's in the fish curry masala?
So in fish curry masala we have pepper, cumin seed, fennel, chili, curry, ginger, garlic, and shallots.
And shallots.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are frying and we are going to grind it.
And what type of oil have you used as well? Is that mustard oil?
No, we are using
sesame oil.
Okay. So every for all the
Okay, so all vegetarian and vegan. There's no animal fat in this, so it's all vegetarian and vegan. Lovely.
we have
500 members in the association itself. Yep.
And here we are having a couple of
Oh, you do, Helena? What language do you speak, Helena? You speak Greek. How do we say hello in Greek? Yasu. Can everyone say Yasu? Yasu. Lovely. Who else speaks another language?
No,
Do you speak a language? This is my best friend. Oh wow.
Spicy.
This is called Rasam. So it's a soup. It's a soup. It's a bit spicy, but it's very tangy. It's very, very tangy.
That's a tangy soup made up of tomatoes and they have pepper, cumin, and cumin seeds.
Helps for cold and flu. I can feel I'm just enjoying some rasam.
How is
Who else here
it?
speaks another language? Do we have any other languages
Spicy?
in the audience? I'm looking. You know some slang? Spicy.
No, thank you.
Beautiful.
Joe.
Just toasting away. In this big pot, we've got some red onions, some tomatoes, green chilies. Okay, so this one's for the fish curry. And that one's for the sambhar. Lovely. Hello, welcome. Awesome. I think people are available after the event.
Okay.
Very colourful vegetables.
Recipes
So the important vitamins and minerals, everything that the body needs to function properly. And no wonder Indian people are so healthy. So healthy. I think we can all learn a few things from the subcontinent. Fantastic. What an event, folks. It is all happening here. We've got 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. We've gained another person. We've gained another chef. Okay, and I'm assuming you can just get that in most Indian stores? Yeah? Okay, we can cook that, no problem. There we go. Very good. Wow, people. Okay, you can also use it in the pan? Oh, very good. Okay, so if we don't have an Idli cooker at home, which I don't think many of us like, okay, I'll be careful with that. That's quite hot. So pressure cooker. Beautiful. So we're just sweating down the vegetables now, getting them nice and soft and ready for our next dish. Piping up. Not called, yeah, it's not called a pressure cooker for no reason. It's not there, it's not manufactured and everything. Wow.
So all over India, like anyone who wants to learn, they expect that traditional way of cooking.
The best of the best. That's why they've done Chettinadu in collaboration with other foods. So at breakfast, usually they'll have it with idli. At lunch, usually with rice.
Fresh curry powder.
Amazing. You're all doing so well.
Fish curry.
I'm so proud of you.
Fish curry.
I'm so proud of you. Yeah, you're doing great.
Is it fish curry? Fish curry masala? Still spicy.
Spices.
Finishing the curry also smell
Adelaide.
For fish curry.
Beautiful. So can we say Nandari? Nandari, Adelaide Women's Adelaide Tamil Association Women's Day. No problem. And we've got coriander leaves specifically. And the final touch. Oh, people, our food is nearly ready. Tell me, peeps, are you excited to taste some Chettinadu fish curry? I have to say, I've been to a lot of these cooking classes. This has been probably the most aromatic, flavorful, exciting cooking class I've been to. And it's going to get even more exciting because we have a South Indian Parai Tamil performance, drum performance on its way. Okay, so it looks like the fish curry is pretty much ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Words about this song. Maybe someone seen in our town. So most of you, I believe, never seen before. It's a very, very old, ancient drum, very raw. It's not a no prayer. So this man not by village people. Use this instrument to alert the people.
Angela.
The Parai means speak, communicate. That's the meaning, real meaning. So this instrument speak, and that's the rhythm of somebody.
2 hands.
Means.
What do you say to Auntie?
2015, the first time Adelaide Tamil community bring this channel from Chettinadu. They spread all here. Later on, the rest of the Australian cities pick from us The knowledge we learn from Adelaide transferred to Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane. In 2015, we had only 15 drums in Adelaide. Now, almost 500 drums all over Australia. The full piece goes to South Australia. Only 2 notes on this drum. Just have a listen.
Thumbs up. Wow. Spicy. Uncle wants to know if you want to have a turn playing the drums.
So normally there's 2 sticks there. This stick on top. This stick on hook.
Oh, okay. We wait for the big drum.
When we beat together, the rhythm called D. Ta, hook, D. So all the beats, whatever the drumming beats you listen to, you can decode it and play this drum. See. Ta.
Fish curry.
The Millet Idli.
Cheese. Okay. Is it yummy? Oh, thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Very good.